Its way through parts of the Midwest, and this morning we're checking in live with our sister station over in Indianapolis. Samantha Johnson is joining us now from there. And Samantha, how are things looking out to our west?
Yes, good morning from Indianapolis. We are downtown. We've been driving around Indianapolis all morning, and what I can tell you is here we actually got a little less snow than what was anticipated as this storm continues to move east. That's the good news. We didn't see as much snow as we had anticipated, but you did hear Austin talk about those brutally cold temperatures. That's what we are experiencing right now. In fact, we just got out of our car to step inside to warm up for a little bit. We are experiencing wind chill temperatures right now that feel like negative 37 degrees, and we know this storm is continuing to track east as well. Of course, the biggest concern as we approach sunrise in the next couple of hours is making sure those roads are ready if folks do have to get out on the roads. As Austin mentioned as well, the biggest message of the day is if you can stay home, please do. Stay warm, take care of yourself, and certainly we'll keep you guys updated from here in Indianapolis. I'm Samantha Johnson. Back to you.
Samantha, very smart to take a step inside live for us in Indianapolis. Thank you. I appreciate it.